Hey, what's up guys? Nate from Create with Nate. Thanks for hanging out with me today. So hopefully you guys had an opportunity to check out my original kitchen hydroponics video that I unveiled a few months back. If you haven't, please take a look here on my channel, check out that video, because in this video I actually want to show you the second version, revision 2, that I came up with. It's much more compact, it's much easier to maintain, it solves some of the issues that I had with the first one that I didn't know I was going to have until a couple of months in. But all in all, this has been a great project, and we have produced so much lettuce that our family has consumed the last few months. So if you're interested in seeing my second revision, please hang out with me for the next few minutes. Thanks. Okay guys, so this is version 2.0 of the kitchen windowsill hydroponic system that I developed. You can see it's a lot more compact than the first one, but I actually have just as many grow sites. And one thing that you'll notice is that I don't have extensions coming up off the rail. Those actually proved to be problematic because the roots would actually get clogged in there and there just wasn't enough water flow. I've also got a much bigger diameter pipe. Before I had 1 inch, and these are 2-inch pipes. And this is actually parts from a kit that you can buy. I think the website is called Vevor or something like that. I'll put the link in the description. So this is not their exact kit, but I purchased a kit and then I kind of modified it to work with what I had here. But these little cups, actually I can show you better here. I have an empty one. They're these little almost like square cups, and the PVC is cut perfectly that these will insert right inside of it, and they should kind of lock into place, and that really gives a lot more stability for the plant rather than just having like little cups sitting in a round tube. So I highly recommend that. As you can see, we've also added some strawberries, and we're going to be eating this one for the first one. We have not tried them yet, but they look good. So I've got 4 strawberry plants, and we basically just cycle the lettuce plants through. I've got like a little nursery downstairs, so I've always got plants coming up and going in and out of rotation as we eat them. But yeah, this is version 2. It's worked really, really well. We always have fresh lettuce. It's really more than we can eat, and more often than not, plants actually end up going to seed before we can finish them. But it really gives us the opportunity to eat as much lettuce and make as many salads as we want. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.